Hello students, today we are going to discuss method of expression, composition of mixture and solution. Introduction about method of expression. Various methods are used to express the composition of mixture and solutions. The method given here are explained by considering a system composed of two components. Example, you take capital A and capital B, the two components. The same methods are used for the system containing more than two components. Suppose if we have capital A, B and capital C, that is more than two components, or capital D or capital E, the same methods are used for the more than two components. Composition of mixture or solution can be expressed in weight percentage, volume percentage and mole percentage. Composition of solid system is expressed in terms of weight percentage and also in terms of mole percentage. Composition of gases expressed in volume percentage. Method of expressing the composition in ppm. All of you very familiar, that is a ppm unit. ppm is nothing but parts per million. Parts per million is nothing but 1 part in 10 to the power of 6 part of the system. It is used to specify the content of trace impurities or very small impurities in solid or liquids. 5 ways of expressing concentration. First one, mass percentage. It is defined the ratio between individual mass to total mass into 100 or mass solute to mass of solution into 100. Second one, molarity. It is denoted by capital M. It is defined the ratio between mole solute to liter solution. What is mole? Moles is defined the ratio between weight and molecular weight. What is molecular weight? Molecular weight is nothing but sum of atomic weight of an atom. What is atomic weight? Atomic weight is nothing but mass of the atom. Next one, molality. Molality is denoted by small m. It is defined the ratio between mole solute to kg solvent. Next one, normality. Normality is denoted by capital N. It is defined the ratio between gram equivalent of solute to liter solution. Define gram equivalent of solute. Gram equivalent of solute is defined the ratio between weight to equivalent weight. Define equivalent weight. It is defined the ratio between molecular weight to valency. If you know what is molecular weight, molecular weight is nothing but sum of atomic weight of an atom. What is valency? Valency is nothing but outermost orbit. This is valence. So then mole fraction. Mole fraction is nothing but, it is defined a ratio between mole solute to total mole solution or individual mole to total mole. It is denoted by XA. Note that molality is the only concentration unit in which denominator contain only solvent information rather than solution. Are you agree or not? You see this: molarity, molality, normality. Molarity and normality, denominator contains liter solution, whereas molality, denominator is contained instead of liter solution kg solvent. Mass percentage or percentage expression. Percentage expression is an expression of parts of solute per 100 parts of the solution. Mass percentage is defined the ratio between individual mass to total mass. In this case, consider the two components, capital A and B. Capital A is the component 1, capital B is the component 2. What about the total component? Capital A plus capital B. That is total component. So we want to calculate mass percentage of capital A, that is first component. What is the formula? Individual mass to total mass. But here the individual mass is nothing but mass of A in solution divided by total mass. Total mass is nothing but capital A plus B into 100. Example problem of mass percentage. Determine the mass percentage of hexane in a solution containing 11 gram of butane in 110 gram of hexane. So we want to calculate mass percentage of hexane value. Solution is nothing but 11 gram of butane plus 110 gram of hexane. Totally 121 gram of solution. So these are the four answers are there. So from these, which one is the correct answer? So after calculating the mass percentage of hexane only, we come to know which one is the correct answer. What are the steps we are going to follow? So here mass percentage of hexane is equal to mass of the hexane divided by total solution into 100. So mass of hexane is nothing but 110 gram. Total solution is nothing but 121 gram into 100. So calculate this value, then only we come to know which one is the correct answer. This is the correct answer, 91%. How it is come 91%? Mass of hexane 110 gram, total solution 121 gram into 100. This is individual component to total component. Totally 91%.